What's up, everybody? Welcome back, man. Back out here on the river today, guys, doing some fishing. We got about probably 2 or 3 hours before this river turns to a flowing nightmare. So what we're gonna do, guys, is just fish. See what we can catch. Fish for bass. Maybe there's some white bass up here. Don't know. We're gonna find out, though. We're gonna get in the water and do some fishing. I appreciate y'all for watching. Let's jump in here and see what we can catch. Come on, guys, let's go. There's one. There's a log that runs right through here and they sit on it. That's a good one. That's a big one. Nice. Nice spot. Oh, he's got a big one behind him. It's a good one. All right, guys. After getting snagged in a tree, breaking off, and all this stuff, we keep snagging and stuff, we finally got a fish. Strong spotted bass. Oh, man. He's got a big old lamprey. Does he have a lamprey? I thought I seen one. Did it come off? I could have sworn I seen a lamprey on this fish. Could have sworn. Look at that big old healthy spot. Man, that's a fat one. Could have sworn that fish had a lamprey on him. Man, that is a chunk of a spot. Let's let him go. Good Lord. It's just kind of how this day's been. It's been a very snaggy day. It's driving me a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie, but there's one. There we go. I just need a bass fish and quit trying to get these white bass. That's a good one too. I think this is exactly what I need to do, guys, is fish. Quit looking at this freaking screen. I got a ton of bass out here. Well, they're not bass. They're like white bass is what they are. And they're just not hitting. And I keep trying to get them to bite and focusing on them. And it's throwing my bite. I mean, look how healthy this freaking spot is. I've been messing with colors, just trying to see if I can get anything with those white bass to react. And I just can't get them to react. But I got a freaking nice spot. So let's keep fishing. See if I can just fish and catch some more bass. Give me a little confidence that one did. Hey, speed up. Current flow. There's one. Oh my goodness, what is that? I might have to let off him. Ooh, it's like a drum, I think. It's big. It's big, real big. I think it's a drum. Oh, it's huge. Big. Oh man, it's big, guys. What is that? Is that a drum? I snagged a carp. That might be what's moving up through here that I'm seeing everywhere. Big old carp with a lamprey. All these fish have lampreys on their head. I snagged this big carp. Dang, that's a big one. He's got 2 or 3 lampreys on him. He is extra gross. Let's see if I can net him. I was just moving up through there trying to catch something else. And we snagged a carp. So that's worth something, I guess. Oh, he's a big, ugly carp. carp too. I snagged him right on the side of his fin. I'm trying to get him over here. He fought hard for a minute. Oh, there we go. All right. Carp. There's a big old carp. Look at all them lampreys on him. Hooked him right in the fin. Look at that cool looking thing. Lampreys all over him. It's gross. Look at that big old sucker fish. Is that a carp? I don't know much about species like this, but I'm gonna let him go. Oh God, he's cool looking. He's bleeding a little bit. I think I kind of stuck his gill a little bit. Let's let him go. You put lampreys everywhere in here. Look at these things. Talking about gross. These things are all in this river. Little nasty looking things. I've heard they're good to fish with. Nasty things. A lot of fish I've caught up there have them on them. Quite a few of them now.